I'm ready to go. It's 7:01 and my exam might start at like 8. But we have to get to school by like 7:30. I'm ready. Not for the exam, but I'm ready to go to school. I might get back to you after the exam. Bye-bye.
Hi guys.
Nag-ano na ba?
Nag-play na ba? Oo, ayun doon. Hi guys. Bakit? Magganto ka sa ano field trip. Ayun, ang TV. Hi guys. So, ang ganda. Ayun, namagsak mo yung siya. Hoy, hindi ako ganon. Mawawala ko lang to, pero di ko to mababagsak. Uy, bilisan niyo. Say hi, Martha! Hi! Hi, Era!
Ano yung ano, tanong?
Tapos na tayo sa isa.
Dal-dal ka. Vlogging. Say hi to the vlog.
Nainitan ako guys. Ay, nilalamig ako guys.
I didn't get to reset my Mr. camera.
What?
Dok. It's rolling. Oh, it's rolling. Say hi. So hot, guys. What's happening?
Sabi ko sa Ines, bubulong pa eh.
We have this program talk for what? CFO. What is CFO? Christian Formation Offering. What you do? Ano yung O sa CFO? Of course.
Ito, tungkol lang to sa mass natin.
Kasi di ba bukas meron ka?
Yes. We have a mass tomorrow. Basta pawis ka naman, be.
Ito ko nalaman na naka-ano kayo.
I can see the...
Hindi.
Isa siyang ba? What's that? What car is that?
I think it's Trueno. Toyota Trueno.
They're sweating.
Visitor to help us.
Kung ano ginawa natin
She
kanina.
is the former national president
We just
of
finished our
Region
exam,
of
guys.
Mary. Yes. A few months
Pangit.
you know, I
Sir, say hi.
then 8.
Hey guys! The super boring program is done. Talk daw, eh sila lang naman yung nagsalita. Busy.
Bawal ko magsalita.
Bawal pa kayo magsalita.
Ano yun?
Talk pa, tinawag na pang talk. Nahihilo ako sa sobrang init. Alam niyo. Kuya, say hi. Wow!
Hi, sir! Hi, sir!
Oh, hi sir! Say hi! Yes! Hello, parang kayo ba? Say hi! Hi guys! We're about to go home, guys.
Secret and the
Say hi, kuya! Say hi! Yay! Wish 1075. Paano?
Pwede yan ano.
Pero si kuya. Nisha, can you open the door for me? Oh, you love me so much. Wow.
Play na ba yan?
Oo. Say hi!
Live. Hi, I have baklo.
And you're gonna eat here.
No, and I'm not going to give you one.
Oh, I don't care.
Yes.
I don't care.
Yes.
I don't care.
Yes.
No. Zuri, say hi. Zuri, so cute. I love Martha, what are you doing here? Ayan po ang role niya mamaya. Yan yung role niya mamaya. Oh, ikaw din. Oh, the blue one. Ay, ikaw hindi. Ah, nag-ibig pa wala. Kian box. For lollipops and then mga money. Ay, nakarito. Happy Teacher's Day. Kabila siya.
Hindi, pagsayawin lang natin sa peryo. Ano yung transaction dyan sa likod? Pinagpalit yun.
Sir, mag-hi ka. Hi, guys! I can't see. Sana mga Bluetooth. Uy, huwag kang ganyan. Not manifesting, guys. We're on the way to Rockwell, guys. We're gonna go to the tricycle. Toda? On the way to the tricycle. Yes. What do you call that? Toda. Oh, see? I was right.
Kasi Toda.
It's still tricycle Toda.
Tricycle Toda.
Ba't nang judge kayo?
Tricycle
Ah.
Toda.
Nangingialam kayo ng buhay ng iba?
Te, Toda lang.
Ay, Toda lang pala.
Toda
Eh,
lang
bakit ba? Gusto ko Toda. Toda.
Wala nakakaintindi.
Ang arte. Tricycle Toda.
Oh, Toda tinawag. Toda. Mart, mahinapakan mo yung shoes ko.
Oh, sorry.
Apakan ko mukha mo. Ay, sorry.
I'm filming.
Ah, sorry. Makita.
You need to be the mirror.
Okay.
You need to be mindful. Okay? We're here. We're in Rockwell now. What do you call this school? Kung ang BGC, yung buong ano is BGC talaga. Dito, Rockwell.
Power plant.
Power plant is the mall.
Yeah. Then Rockwell is the street.
Yeah.
Ah, wait. Kaya tayo guys. Gutom na ako.
Oo nga!
Oh, jolly. Typhoon tayo.
Wow! Oh, yus ka, te.
Alam, libre mo kami. Ay, panoorin niyo lang ako.
Ay, sorry.
Pinta ka na naman doon sa labas.
Sure na ba, Jollibee?
Where are we? We're at Marugasi. Oh, what's your Katsudon. Oh, what's your order? Wag ka na. How about you? What's your order?
Yakiniku doon. Kasi nga hindi na siya sa
Ang cute nila. Hi guys! This is Maya. My camera woman is This is Aira. Sama na naman ang ano mo. The vibes you bring. It's like,
the function.
ano daw? The vibes I bring. To the function. Tama. Friends ni Maya.
Uy, siya yung may katabi ako dito mga ginagawa.
Mamaya, nakaupulo sila. May kang gumawa. Bigat eh.
Nabala lang ko ng
What you eating?
Yakiniku doon.
Yakiniku.
Chicken teriyaki.
This is Aira's food.
Egg with pork.
Wow, this is tarta.
Let's eat! Yummy! We're done eating now.
Sapat siya. Tapos hindi na ako tinatamad mag-ayos. Ano tumatog sa akin eh?
Saan?
Pagkapasok daw kasi may nagsasabi na okay mo po doon.
May nakakalabit po.
The night adore me, take me back. Nag-remix na. Bonjour. Galileo. Maani. Yung ito. Ang ganda kasi. Ganda na. It's okay. Dito lang ko yung una mo. Bakit? Bakit? Bata! Ano? Ang ganda na eh. Yung mga Spider-Man pose. Anong kasalanan ko? Yawn!
Hi, I'm home. It's 2:36 p.m. Ang aga ko nakauwi. And look what I have. Toys! I bought 2. Yay! Bought this like last week. I bought one of these. I loved it. Kasi look, this is what I got. A gold one! Okay, dito lang siya. I want the I really want this one. This one, the blue one, and then the normal one because it's really cute. Oh my gosh. It's blue! Oh my god, it's blue! Oh my gosh. It's blue! Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Oh, look, it's blue! Oh my god. Wala akong energy. Okay, last one. Wait, I'm scared. I don't want to get the same thing. Wait. Oh my god! What? Oh my god, it's another blue one! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's another blue one! Oh my gosh! I'm so happy. This made my day. They're both blue. It's my favorite color.